DJM TV.
Bandits almost spoof the governor of Benue State. My betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time wey be like say you take see this video. I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel where they give you all the better gist them and news as I say they share inside Nigeria and all around the world. We'll not just give you the headline, they leave the matter like that. We also they give you updates as the matter they share until say we want when you get the correct informate on top issues the way you suppose know. Now, while other boss inside Nigeria as all these herbsmen wahala people, they nearly moved the governor of Benue State, wey be Samuel Otom.
On the attack on the governor on Saturday morning when he visited his farm. And then secondly, just before you joined us, drawn attention to the fact that a group has already taken responsibility for the attack. And what that group, Funam, Fulani nationality movement, what they are saying is that they are determined to kill the governor. If I may just read to you part of their statement. They're saying, yes, we did. So they take responsibility. The Fulani nationality movement carried out the attack. We have genuine reasons. We acted on behalf of millions of Fulani people in 15 countries. And they proceed. They state, our intention is unequivocal to kill him. That mission will one day be fulfilled, and very soon too. How is the governor or the state government responding to that? And how much support have you received from the federal government?
Let me, first of all, appreciate Nigerians for the goodwill messages, the sympathies that have continued to pour in since that incident happened on Saturday. We have received the solidarity of Nigerians of good conscience who feel that this shouldn't be happening. But someone said yesterday that Nigeria seems to be on a ventilator and it cannot breathe anymore because this is a country that should be the beacon of hope for Africans and indeed the rest of the black world. But the reverse seems to be the case. You have captured everything in your preview. That's exactly what happened. The governor is a farmer, and he goes to his farms anytime he has the chance. And Saturday was one of those days that he accompanied by one or two of his aides and his security details, went to the farm. This farm is located off the Boko Makudi Road. For some of you who have been to Benue, you would recall that the river Benue is not very far from the Boko Makudi highway. And the governor has one of his farms close to the river Benue, the river banks of river Benue. And he went there to supervise the farm. And on the way back, that's when the ambush took place. And but God didn't allow the assailants to succeed. And we also commend the security men with the governor. They did a great job of repelling the attacks, and they safely took the governor back to where the vehicles were parked. You know, the terrain is not very good. You have to move by foot to where the farm is located. So the vehicles were not close to where this attack took place. That's why the governor had to be protected back to where the vehicles were parked. So that's the summary of what happened. And it's quite unfortunate that a man who is the chief security officer of the state, the number one person in Benue State, would be attacked in this manner. So what happens to the rest of the citizenry, the rest of Nigerians in Benue State who do not have security around them. What happens to them? This is the question everyone is asking here. Benue is at the moment, we do not have any further incidents, but the people are asking the same question I'm asking here. How safe are they? What has happened to the security of this country? Why are the forests not being combed by our security agencies? The Fulani people, when we say this, we are not profiling Fulani as a race. We are concerned about the armed ones, those who live in the forest with AK-47. What is happening? Why is no one asking questions? They have repeatedly said the forest belong to them. And we understand that where this attack took place, there is something like a forest there. And they are there. Thank God the Inspector General of Police has asked his man in Benue, the Commissioner of Police, to investigate this matter. And we hope that the police will not just stop at that. They should go beyond just investigate. These people are around communities of Benue State, especially in the border communities. Right. And it's a matter of security agencies to move in and get them. They are there.
Well, thank you for that.
And referring to the claim by Funam, that again poses another question. A group has come out to claim responsibility of the attack on the governor of Benue State. And up to this minute, more than 24 hours after, no one is asking questions. This is not the first time that group has spoken out. Remember the January 2018 attacks on Benue State, which claimed 73 lives. This same group came out less than 1 month after and said the attacks on Benue were justified, that Benue and other states in this country belong to them, that until Benue falls, they will not stop attacking the state. And this time as well, this group has come out to say they want to kill the governor. And our security intelligence, our security agencies, with all the intelligence at their disposal, we expect that they should, who are these people? And the man who signed that statement, called Umar Shehu, is a human being. He exists in this country. Why are the security agencies? We expect that at this time, as we speak, that man should be in detention somewhere, and he should be brought to book. He and his conspiracy, his group, should be asked questions. What has Governor Samuel Otom done to deserve to be killed? And if Governor Samuel Otom is not safe, who is safe in this country? What will the other governors be safe? So we are disappointed, absolutely disappointed, Mr. Abati.
Well, you asked the question rhetorically, but I'd actually like you to answer it. Why is Governor Samuel Otom being targeted, in your opinion? What is your analysis of that? And now that the shock and adrenaline must be wearing off, what are the governor's plans going forward? What is his stance now that an attempt has been made on his life?
The group called Funam, the group has given reasons. They have said Governor Samuel Otom is their problem, that the governor is the only person. He initiated a law that has put the Fulani people in Benue State at risk, that he has chased the Fulani people away, and that they have called him an infidel. How is Governor Samuel Otom an infidel? I mean, is it about jihad? Is it about what? So they have answered the question you've asked me, because they have said Governor.
Now, we will know say Governor Samuel Otom will be the Benue State governor. Now, one person like say they always speak out against these Nama people them and their wahala. Sake of say that they disturb the people for Benue State, they make them they won't run, leave their farmlands and their land their papa give them. Now, the governor of Benue State don't say they no go agree for this kind of matter. So they come make sure say they sign law to say no open grazing for inside Benue State. He say they no go fit give them land to do all those their nama waka. Sake of say no say they get plan to pursue people come up for Benue State, go take over the land. Now, the governor of Benue State, these people, they can't look and say, how we go do the matter? They can't attack the governor of Benue State. The guy say, on the 20th of March, in they go a farm, unto saying a farmer, another thing on Saturday, say they always go a farm on Saturday. He say they go a farm that Saturday, be like say, unknown gunmen, wey reach about 15 of them, they wear black, they can't block him and the security people for road, they can't begin, they release groundnut enter inside air. The governor say when he come see this matter, he can look and say, well, it not be play matter or to form Jackie Chan for this matter. And then the guy pick raise, he say, nah, he run, not be small thing. He say, run, well, they pursue am. Where got to know, say, this one and plan work. Now, when they pursue am for almost 2 kilometers, like saying they use leg, they run till come reach river. Well, the governor and the team, they're not injured at all. No, but none of them sustain injury. But they never feel back the people they will be like say they do this akamuka. He say he knows this attack now to remove a comot for the face of the air too. Say now he make am he run, not be smart. When they come and say, okay, Oga, which place exactly for inside Benue State this thing happen? He said it happen for Benue for the Makurdi Boko Road for Makurdi local government. You know, say like I don't tell before. Governor Otton and one person like say they speak against the actions of these alleged herdsmen. The way like say they cause insecurity for inside Nigeria. Now, the Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Adamu, don also condemn the incident. And don order say make the Benue Commissioner of Police improve security for the state, especially around the governor. They don also send special force of the police, investigative force of the police from Abuja go Benue State, so as to help the commissioner of police of Benue State and the police officers there to take track these people wey be like say they don cause this wahala. Well, also Oga Bubu don also react say which kind thing be this one? Who be this person dey try to oppress a governor, a governor for wetin? Who dey do this kind matter? Why they wan oppress the governor? So yeah, IG of police make sure say una bring people wey go find that these people wey do this bad thing. Other people don see shook mouth inside the matter. They don condemn the attack wey be like say dey happen for broad day koro light like this. So if not be say the governor carry security people waka that day, that mean say na so if for take kick iron bucket. Many people don condemn the attack, especially the People's Democratic Party, and they don join body with everybody and the city governor for the Nigerian Governors Forum. Governor j0kes for Rivers State don talk say the federal government go dey responsible if anybody do any akamuka to Autumn Samuel. He add talk say that kind incident go fit even cause another civil war for inside Naija. Now attacks on governor no dey very common for inside Nigeria here. Then they no dey hear say they attack governor like that, you know dey too rampant. But for September 2020, one group dem ambush the convoy of the Borno State Governor Babagana Zulum for road, and they come attack the people there. Out of the people wey dey attack, 14 of them are police officers and soldiers, and then we also get civilians. So it's the people wey dey attack, and all those people then they kick iron bucket. Although the governor survive, j0kes come talk say up till today authorities never fit still catch people wey dey behind this hijacking of Babagana Zulum motor. Now they talk say this one, the thing don happen again to the governor of Benue State. So make the state government make dem try, make dem chook inside this matter, well, sake of say this kind of matter, if it go cause problem, if it cause war for inside the country. Now the IG don order the immediate deployment of specialized investigators from the criminal investigation department for Abuja, make dem go support the police for Benue State in the hope say dem go fit track down and arrest the criminals wey carry out this deadly attack. Now, according to Oga j0kes, he talk say if the federal government no look into this matter real fast, that means small time all these nama people they don come begin dey get mind. They go say they want wahala the governors of the various states wey dey for inside Nigeria. And because this one, I make I say, make the IGP make sure say they put their eye down, they catch people who do this akamuka matter. Now, my people, how you see this issue? First of all, na Baba Gana Zulum. Now, I never reach how many months. Na Samuel Autumn. Now they go attack. And he got like say, he talk one place. I say, he don't already hear this information since 2006. Say, these people they won't come wahala in life, you understand? And they get wahala for anybody be like say, you know, accept their ranching plan or their open grazing plan. So anybody you know accept that one, they go come after that person. He say he believes that what make them they come after him. Now what the governor of Benue State talk. Now my better person shook mouth inside this matter. What do you feel say the government, the federal government go fit do to take safeguard the lives and properties of Nigerians? Because God be like say they don't graduate from catching normal common citizen to the attack governor of a whole state sake of say it or say more not carry on nama dey waka pass everywhere for inside my state. How you see this matter now? What do you go want me say the federal government do? Because for investigation, no matter the investigator which they fit not fit trace the people that will carry out this akamuka wahala, say because not be only one set of person that they do all these kind of things inside the country. When you shook my people for the matter, more will know what you think. This is still DJM TV daily news update, your one-stop channel for all your better informate them for inside Nigeria and all around the world. May you not forget to subscribe to this video. I beg, like our video, share our video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Follow us for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, and also for TikTok. When you follow us, we'll follow you back. You know how the matter till they play now. So the matter till they play. So, may you not also forget, so if you still place your advert with us, so sake of say we get very wide reach. You understand? Our people full everywhere. And who knows? As you put your market, now so you think go the just go few. Sake of say you advertise with DJM TV. Well, may you not forget, say my name is still Lawo Favor. And they tell you, say, like I said, they always talk, say security. Now everybody consigned for inside Nigeria. So in case you see anything or you hear anything, I beg, may you come as I call talk so that the matter you know go cast. Now here we'll take come to the end of our news, my people. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM